children. A very good morning to you all. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home, right? Even if you are going out, carry a sanitizer with you, children. And when you come back, wash your hands. So, children, shall we move to our new topic that we are going to learn? Children, you tell me, when you go to sleep, you always ask one thing, or your grandparents tell. Chalo, I'll tell you one story. They say, before sleeping, they always tell you a story. If you are not staying with your grandparents, your mother or your father will say you a story, right? And even you love to listen stories, right? They always have one moral that teaches us some good things, right? In that way only, today we are going to learn and know about the cats and the monkey. Now we'll see what happened to the cats and the monkeys. Okay, it's one monkey and two cats. See here, there is two cats and one monkey. Children, this story is a very interesting story, and your parents will always say you this story. So let's start, children. So there are two cats and one monkey. Children, these two cats were very happy cats. They used to play around, go around, and do masti, eat, and then sleep. This was their routine that they used to follow. But one day, what happened? They found a piece of cake, a big cake. Even you will love cake, right? You love cake whenever you go to a birthday party, or even though when your mummy comes from your office or from grocery, you like whenever she brings a piece of a pastry or a cake, you love, right? You say, wow, mama, I'll eat the whole cake or the whole pastry today only, right? In that same way, these two cats found a piece of cake, a big cake. Now what happened? Both the cats wanted to eat that full cake. They wanted to eat that cake only. Now, because of that, they both started fighting. And when they started fighting, there was a monkey. There was a monkey who was seeing all this. And he came down and he said, wait, cats, why are you fighting? I'll give you a solution for this. So he thought of a plan. What did the cat do in that fighting? They cut the cake. They just pulled each other's side and they got two pieces of cake. Now even the monkey wanted to eat the cake, right? So he thought of a plan. He said, wait, cats, I'll make a solution for you. I can give you solution so that you both cat can eat the piece of cake. So what he did, he said, okay, first I will just measure it like this in the hands, which one is bigger and which one is smaller. So he take both the cat's piece of cake. He keep it on his hand and say, oh, this one is a little heavier one. This is bigger. So I will eat from this. So he eats. Then again he do like this and says, oh, now this is a little bigger piece. I'll eat this also. In this way, telling that this one is bigger and this one is bigger, he started eating the cake. In that only, what happened, taking one small bite, he ate the whole cake. And the cats did not get anything. In that only, The cats were like very sad when at the end, when they saw the monkey, they saw that the monkey has ate the whole cake, and these two cats did not get even a tiny piece of cake. So, children, from this story, we learn that whenever there is a problem, you should always sit and solve. No, not fight on it. If you are going to fight, the third person. Now, who's the third person in this? Yes, the monkey. The monkey took the advantage and he ate the whole cake. And this poor little two cats did not get anything. Likewise, only if you fight with your friends or your sister, do not fight. You sit and solve the problem. Okay, children? So, shall we move and learn the story? Okay. So, the title of the story is The Cats and the Monkey. Children, let me say the whole story first, then you can all repeat after me. Okay? One day, two cats found a piece of cake. They started fighting for the cake. Okay? They found a cake. Now, like I said, they both wanted a bigger piece. So they started fighting in that. I want the bigger piece. I want the bigger piece. A monkey saw the two cats fighting. He took the cake and made two parts of it. He said to the cats, "These two parts are not equal. This one is bigger than the other." So look at the monkey's face. He's so happy that these two cats are fighting. Now I'll also get a piece of cake. So what he do, children? He cuts the cake. But when you cut with a knife, how your mama does when she brings a big piece of cake, she cut it and she gives both of you and your brother or a sister. So what does monkey do? This monkey make two part of it. Then he only says that these two parts are not equal. One is bigger. Okay. Then what he does? He took a bite from one piece and then from the other, as if to make them equal. He went on biting from both the pieces till only two tiny bits of the cake were left. So what he did, as we said, that he said, this one is bigger and this is smaller, so I'll take one tiny bite from it. He took a bite. Now again he said, now this is bigger. In that way, he kept on biting piece from the cake. Then what happened finally? He ate the two tiny bits also. The cat did not get any cake at all. The poor little cats did not get any cake. They didn't even taste the cake. So children, shall we repeat it? Start. Title of the story is The Cats and the Monkey. One day, two cats found a piece of cake. They started fighting for the cake. A monkey saw the two cats fighting. He took the cake and made two parts of it. He said to the cats, "These two parts are not equal. This one is bigger than the other." He took a bite from one piece and then from the other, as if to make them equal. He went on biting from both the pieces till only two tiny bits of the cake were left. Finally, he ate the two tiny bits also. The cats did not get any cake at all. So children, we'll repeat one more time. Say, title of the story is The Cats and the Monkey. One day, two cats found a piece of cake. They started fighting for the cake. A monkey saw the two cats fighting. He took the cake and made two parts of it. He said to the cats, "These two parts are not equal. This one is bigger than the other." He took a bite from a piece and then from the other, as if to make them equal. He went on biting from both the pieces till only two tiny bits of the cake were left. Finally, he ate the two tiny bits also. The cats did not get any cake at all. So what you found from this story? What is the moral? We'll say moral of the story is, when two people quarrel means a little bit of fight, a small fight, okay? The third person takes advantage of it. Okay, children, repeat. Moral of the story is, when two people quarrel, the third person takes advantage of it. So children, shall we move to our activity part? Let's get started. So children, for the activity that we are going to make, we require, see this is a bread. I have taken brown bread also, white bread also. Whichever you have will do. Okay. Now this is Oreo biscuit powder. I have taken one big packet and I have crushed it. And this is milk. And this is vermicelli for the decoration. First, what we are going to do, we are going to add milk in this. Okay, we'll make a paste from this. So children, see, this is the paste what I have made. It is not thick also, it is not thin also. Okay. So what we will do first, we'll take this 3 slices of bread. First, we'll take this brown bread. We'll take some milk. We'll just make it little wet. Okay. Then what we'll do, we'll take this and we'll apply. If you have a butter knife, that will also do. I'm doing with a spoon. You can do with butter knife also. Apply it nicely. Now, we'll take another bread. Now again, if you have cherry, you can put it. Again, we are going to apply this. Don't take boiled milk. Take a little chill. Apply it nicely. Now, we'll take the third bread. Same way we are going to do it. Do it properly in the corners also. Don't add too much milk. This is only to wet the bread. Get a little wet. See. I have taken nice amount of it. Now what I'll do, I'll paste it here also. Okay. See, I have done it. See, I have applied here also. Every corner I have pasted with this Oreo. Now, what we will do, we will take some vermicelli. You can take any color, your favorite, and just put it. Sprinkle it. If you want, you can decorate with gems also. Okay children, now you can have any colors, your favorite colors. Now let it get freeze. You can put it in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes, then you can cut and eat it. So children, did you like the activity? It's a very easy activity that we have done. It's a cake that you can make at home also, okay? Okay children, bye. Take care of yourself.